So this is going to be the actual Canton oil pan. Make sure there's nothing else in here, which I know there is. That's sketchy. That's really worrying. Why is there a piece of metal? Why is there a piece of metal just randomly in the bag? That's sketchy. I'm going to have to call and make sure I didn't get it. Rolling, camera 1, camera 2 rolling. Alright. What's up everyone? Christian back here with a new video. We just got new parts. So if you've been keeping up with the build, you know that I made the dumb mistake of ordering the wrong oil pan the first time. I ordered the CX Racing oil pan thinking I could save myself some money. The mounts were different. I guess the CX Racing kit mounts the motor a little bit more forward, so everything didn't meet up right. So after about 3 weeks between sending it back and getting the refund and then ordering a new one, we now finally have the right one. This one actually came in 2 boxes. So this is the one that's designed to go with the ISR kit. It's Canton, and I think this has another couple goodies in it that the CX pan didn't come with. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm just finally resorting to using a key because I think that works just as well as the butter knife that I usually use. She works outstanding. By the way, if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment. If you have any questions on the parts, then I will gladly answer them. And subscribe for more content on the build. So we have the first box open. It's just a lot of paper. I think you guys should see it on this camera. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Alright. Looks like this is going to be the main for the ISR oil pickup. So this is cool. There's almost like a square more than the last one, which was, I guess, a more traditional oil pickup shape. And then what else we got in here? So this is some stuff that the other one definitely didn't come with. The CX kit did not come with a dipstick, which we have here, which is cool. I said on the last one they had a fitting for it. We'll see where it is on this one, but this one comes with a fitting. That's pretty nice. Right on. So dipstick, and it looks like this is, yeah. Okay, so cool. So this saves me some trouble. I think I may still need to get some lines and figure out where to mount it. But this is the remote oil filter. So I guess the stock LM7 oil pans have this that the oil filter just straight up bolts onto the back of the oil pan. But with us having to get a front sump so it could fit with the K member of the 350Z, we're not obviously not allowed to run a rear sump oil because everything gets in the way. So this is going to help fix that problem. Comes with bolts. Right on. And it actually comes with instructions, which is nice. There's some kind of paper in the background. So I guess this is the big daddy that we've been waiting for. So this is going to be the actual Canton oil pan. Oh, it's a button address? Oh, it's a big one. This one might. Let's see how well the key does this. Yeah, how do we do this? Of course, I'll fast forward through all this, so you won't even hear me saying that I'm going to fast forward through all this. Oh, okay, cool. So we'll just set that on the side. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. See, this is what I missed. This is what I missed. First thing you see, stickers. Let's actually, yeah, let's go ahead and open this up first and see what instructions they give us or what's in this before we actually get to the pan. Okay, so we have 2 stickers. It's important. This is why you do the unboxings. Everyone thinks it's about the parts. It's about the stickers, man. Okay, so we've got a business. Oh, so it comes with a 1-year warranty. That's cool. Right on. That's nice to know. And it looks like these are just propaganda advertisements. Oh, and it actually does come with instructions, so that's nice. I'll make sure to keep these. Even though it should be pretty straightforward, it's always nice to have. You never know if there's some weird kinks in there. So we'll put that over here and get to the actual pan. So here it goes. Always a ton of paper with these. Oh, okay, it's not. I just heard something fall, so I gotta make sure I find it at the end. Okay, so that's surprising. So it doesn't take away from it, but I have already noticed one thing that's different from the pictures online. There's a lot of little things just in here. I'm going to make sure I double check the paper because I've had two things just fall lower and I don't want to lose anything. So I'll have to double check this big ass pile of... Anyway. Make sure there's nothing else in here, which I know there is. That's sketchy. That's really worrying. Why is there a piece of metal? Why is there a piece of metal just randomly in the bag? That's sketchy. I'm gonna have to call and make sure I didn't get like a broken part, because that is not what you want to see when you open up a box of a brand new part. Just a random little chunk of metal. It could be a random piece of metal, it could be nothing, but it could also be the difference between me blowing up my whole engine if something gets wrong and blocks. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check that out. That's very worrying. Maybe it's just a shim, I don't know. I'll read the instructions, but that's not what you want to see. Oh, random. What I hope it's not, and I'll check. My suspicion is that it might be from one of these baffles. Oh, that's cool. Oh! So there's some sort of oily like coating on it. So it was either cleaned well or it was used and then sent to me, which is, I can't get mad because that's kind of what I did with the CX pan. I just sent it back. So like maybe nothing is wrong with it, but regardless, where the hell does this come from? Because this doesn't even seem like it's a piece for this. Like, and I'll bring the camera in here for a second and I'll show you guys B-roll probably while I'm talking over this. But it doesn't even look like it goes to it. This is really weird. It's worrying. Anyways, let's get to the part that you guys want to see. So like I said, the one thing you're gonna notice, it looked more gold on the picture online, but I don't mind. I guess it would have been cool because it like matches up everything else that ISR makes is gold. But this is a really nice polished aluminum. No scratches on it. Yep, it's that time. Let's get you over here. So the welds look pretty good. I mean, it looks like a really well-made part. If anything, the welds are really, they look like they were smoothed out afterwards. Very, looks pretty well made. Inside. Inside looks pretty new. Like I said, I think you guys can be able to tell from the little shine right there. Seems to be some sort of coating on the bottom. You guys can see how the finger's a little bit shiny. But this is gonna be the biggest thing. I'm gonna have to find out where that's from because that does not look pretty. But besides that, I mean, pretty standard. I've never really been disappointed with what I got with ISR. Just, I'll take that back. The adapter plate didn't fit perfectly. That's interesting. But besides that, really good quality stuff. I mean, you could tell. You get what you paid for. And then you get a little bit more.
Hopefully this is just
But
extra.
yeah, guys, I think that's going to do it for this one. Just wanted to show you guys this pan, which is exciting because now it's the right pan. Like I said earlier, I had ordered the wrong pan, so the whole project just kind of had to be stagnant for a while we waited for the right parts, sorted everything out between shipping departments, all that BS. But we now have the Canton, so I will be making a video installing this, which will be pretty straightforward. I mean, it's just getting a new gasket and then bolting up some bolts. And then I guess the next part that you guys will see will be the intake manifold, which is going to be cool. I don't want to say too much about that. You'll see which one I get. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you go and smash the like button, comment down below, and if you're new, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys get alerts every time we post. I try to post every Thursday. It doesn't always work out like that. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Have a good day, and see you guys next time.